Okay, as promised, we're going to add some new stuff to the blues progression. Okay, in the last lesson we added palm muting and we added that cool little note on the B power chord, that little stretch, and I hope you had a chance to master that, and if not, just keep practicing. So today we're going to add some other stuff. We're going to add an intro, and the intro can also be used after as an outro, and I'm going to show you that. The intro, we'll use middle finger, ring finger, 4th fret, we are on a G4, and we are on an E4 with the ring finger. The B string is played open all the way, and it has to ring out, so try not to mute it. Okay, so make sure that your finger position is perfect. With the prick, we go down, up. We're going to go down, up, up. Okay, so that's going to sound like this. Move up, move up. Now we're going to change. We're just going to pluck the middle finger on the 1st fret G string, and we're going to hit it down, and we're going to hit the high E open. So that sounds like this. Okay, next we're going to do open A, 1st fret A, 2nd fret A. When we do, we're going to hit the string open and we pluck each note. So when I pluck, I go up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So always when you pluck strings, always go up and down. We got this so far. So after this, we want to go into a B7. And we're already in the right position for the B. So just place your fingers as you have learned in lesson number 4. That's the B. And then we'll start with our E blues. So let's see what we can add here. We can add that. So basically with your pinky, you're hitting on the 5th fret on the A string for the E blues. Then you can take that one down, the A blues. So basically the pinky on the 5th fret D string, right? So those are the two things you can add to this blues now. You can play them all the time, or you can leave some out. You know, blues can be improvised. You make your own blues. The other thing we can add are a couple more notes. So E, open. Because you're already in the position here, leave that finger on the 2nd fret A, okay, and then just open E, hammer on, or play them, pick them. You can hammer on, you can pick them. You're gonna get different sounds. There's no right or no wrong, so you can do your own thing. There we go. So you can add those parts to our blues progression. Okay. Now, how would we play the intro as an outro? Well, let's come out of the turnaround. The turnaround is the B. Okay, so you go to A once. That's the time. And then you go back in it. Okay, so let's do that again. We have to turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right? So 1. And then the rest of the count happens down here. So that's how it's done. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole thing for you, a short version. Throw in the B7 and then put in an E7. Okay, so that's it for that blues progression. Obviously there's tons of other stuff you can do, but I think that's going to give you some tools to improvise and to discover and have fun with this little blues progression and grow it yourself.